So, are electric vehicles more expensive to insure? It's a common question asked by people wanting to buy an electric vehicle. The answer is that insurance costs for electric vehicles can vary based on several factors, including the vehicle model, its cost, repair costs, safety features, and the driver's history. Generally, electric vehicles can be more expensive to insure than traditional gasoline vehicles due to several reasons. 1. Higher vehicle cost. Electric vehicles tend to have higher initial purchase prices compared to similar gasoline-powered vehicles. Since insurance premiums are often based on the vehicle's value, this can contribute to higher premiums from the onset. 2. Repair costs. Repairs for electric vehicles can be more expensive than traditional gasoline vehicles because of specialized parts and technology. Insurance companies may factor in these higher repair costs when setting premiums. 3. Safety features. Many electric vehicles are equipped with advanced safety features and technology, which can lower the risk of accidents. However, this might not always translate to lower insurance premiums immediately, as repair costs for these technologies can actually be high. 4. Battery replacement costs. Electric vehicles' batteries are a significant expense on the car. Insurance companies may consider this when determining premiums, especially for vehicles that are now out of warranty, which can result in higher premiums. 5. Driver profile. Insurance premiums are also influenced by the driver's history, location, and driving habits. This does not matter whether one is driving a traditional gasoline car or the latest electric vehicle. There is good news though. Despite potentially higher premiums, some insurers offer discounts and incentives for electric vehicles, such as discounts for eco-friendly vehicles or for safety features. It's advisable to shop around and compare quotes from different insurance providers to find the best rate for your specific electric vehicle model and circumstances.